I'm making this video to reply to my beautiful and lovely commenter. So she commented on my video and asked me a question. So I'm here to reply to that, guys. So before we start, let me greet my beautiful subscriber. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. So guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome here. Please do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more audits. So guys, as I was saying, as you can see over here on this comment, this person asked me what is called mushroom and black pepper. Although that video I make, my pronunciation of mushroom was wrong. So I call it mushroom instead of mushroom. So I want to show it to my sister what is called mushroom. Ta-da! As you can see here, this is called mushroom. Many people know about this. So if you are watching my video, you will see all the food I'm cooking. You can see it. I normally use it to cook. So I use the white color to cook. So as you can see, this one is brown. So any color you want is there. And any type of mushroom, you can also find it. So she asked me where she can buy this. So where you can find this in Africa, you can find it in our local market. Or if you are a type of person that is going to the farm, you can even saw it on the road while you are going to the farm. So you can find it in Africa market. Here, I bought it in supermarket. I normally bought it in supermarket. In Africa market here, I don't see it. So guys, the other one is black pepper panda. She also asked me what is black pepper panda ingredients. So black pepper panda is called pepper nera over here. Why this mushroom is called fungi over here or fungo. So this black pepper panda, you can see it to buy in supermarket, in Africa supermarket also over here. You can find the breaded one or the grounded one in both sides supermarket. So this one is only supermarket. I saw it. I don't know if they are selling it in Africa market. So I hope you understand me. So you can see it to buy in Africa. Anywhere you go in market. Oh God, English will not find me. My people, I'm learning. So I'm just a new YouTuber. I don't really understand how to do it. So I'm still learning. Please do me well by supporting me. Support my channel and by subscribing to my channel, guys. So this was all I want to show to my sister. I hope you understand it. So these two ingredients, you can see it to buy in supermarket over here in Africa. You can see it to buy in our normal market. So if you are living in a outside country, you can see it to buy in supermarket. You can find where you can buy it. So this fungi, if you are not eating it, try and be eating it. It's good for the body. It's good for body, so you can try it out and be using it to cook your stew or your soup. You can use it to make stew. Anything at all you want to cook is good and it's natural. So that is it, guys. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Love you all. So today we are going to enter kitchen to cook again. You know, now only wife material they run now. So cook every day. So we are learning now. Come and learn how to cook. Today we are going to make delicious and amazing. See it on my next video, guys. Love you all.